This literature kit on When You Trap a Tiger by Tay Keller includes questions that help to keep students engaged while reading the novel. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put yourself in the mind of Lily's Halmoni to imagine an alternative ending to the tiger story. Speculate how Sam feels about being in Halmoni's house. Put events that take place the night Lily meets with the tiger in the correct order. Come up with 2 ways that Lily could help her Halmoni. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a mini-book about the Korean tradition of the kosa. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Make connections between scenes from the novel in your own life. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.